Hello YouTube friends and subscribers, welcome back into fishing. I'm back here today at the Soccerplex for a very good reason, because it is raining. I like to stay close to the car when the rain is in the forecast, but it is actually lightly raining right now. I figured this was a good place to come. However, we had a lot of storms over the weekend. The water is very high, higher than I've ever seen it, and it's discolored. I won't say it's muddy, but it is less than ideal, let's say. I don't know what the visibility is, but we'll be finding that out shortly. And you did see correctly, I am wearing a jacket. Not necessarily because of the rain, but because of the recent downturn in the temperatures. When I was here 4 days ago, I got here relatively mid-morning and the temperature was 88 degrees. It was in the mid to high 90s when I left. But I got here this morning, the temperature is 56 4 days later. So I'm going to start tracking the water temperature on every trip I make out from now on. Well, I really don't know if I should believe this or not. The temperature gauge said the water temperature is an even 68 degrees. Now, I really wish I'd started tracking it when I was here last week, because I really can't believe it's down that cold. But, you know, temperature gauges don't lie, so I guess that's what it is. Well, I'm going to start off with the, I think a stick bait, my usual Yum Dinger, fished Texas rig wise, fish, throw that around for a while, then maybe try the Wacky rig, then the spinnerbait. Well, that doesn't feel right. I don't know what it was, but it wasn't a bass. That's the second time something was playing with my Wacky worm in that area. The first time something come up and it was a very solid, quick, sharp hit. Not typically what a bass feels like, but when I set the hook into it, there wasn't anything there. I thought at first it might have been a turtle, but when I looked at the worm, there were no marks on it at all. Well, it's something. Not very much, but a 7-inch bass, maybe even 6.5. He feels a lot warmer than the water temperature. My guess is that the water down deeper is warmer than here at the top. It's been a little over an hour now, and I've fan cast around this fountain with both the Wacky worm and the Texas rig worm, and I even tried fishing the Texas rig as a jerk bait, but all the hits I had and the one bass that I caught are just about directly out in front of me. They all came from that general area. So I'm really casting more in that area than anything else, but I think it's time to start switching over to the spinnerbait, and the rain is picking back up again. It was supposed to be out here at about the between 10 and 11. It's almost 11, so I wish it would quit. I wasn't even sure that was a fish. Felt like a big weed. It's a fish, finally. Something nice. Okay. Come on. They always spin away from me. Whew. Popped right out. Hey, that's a nice one. It's probably 1.5 pounds, maybe upwards of 2 pounds. Good fish. Just beginning to think there was nothing going to bite here today. All right, buddy, back you go. Catch you later. You know, I had made fan casts with a white spinnerbait and a blue and black chatterbait around this fountain for 45 minutes and didn't get a bite. I just picked up the Wacky rig here. I was going to throw it a little bit, then put it away for the day. First cast, and I got that fish. Alright, fish number 3. Probably bigger than the first one. Definitely smaller than the second one. He's about 8-9 inches. Still on the Wacky worm. That's a fish. All right. Again, barely hooked. He's nothing overly big, but $1.65 pounds. Hey, we'll take that any day. It's the second good fish today. He's bigger than the second fish or the other keeper, but yeah, we'll just take them as they come. Let's get a look here. Yeah, 1 o'clock. Been here for over 3 hours. That can't be a fish. Well, it could have been. If it was, it didn't have it in its mouth. Not all the way, anyway. Alright, number 5. Another 7-inch fish. In that same spot. That's 4 out of that spot today. And barely know there's any fish there. I'm going to give this a couple more minutes regardless, and I'm going to head out. It's starting to rain again. It's now been like 3.5 hours. It's almost never stopped raining. So I'm about at my limit. I'm half soaked. I think it's time to call it a day. What a gloomy looking day. I did manage 5 fish. 2 nice ones. A couple of bluegills. I just wanted to see where they were in the water column, and turns out they were everywhere. The water's just too murky to see them. So that ends another video. Hopefully the weather will improve in the next couple of days. I can get out and maybe get a better catch in. But until the next time, everybody, thanks for watching. Take care.